Hi, today I'm going to talk about a challenge in ServiceNow. But first of all, I wanna explain again about how to get a private instance on ServiceNow. Basically, if you go to developer.servicenow.com, you can create a new user as easy as you create a new user on Facebook or Gmail. And after you create a new user, you have an instance URL. Of course, you get admin user and a password, which is good to change the password, and afterwards you can enter into your private instance in ServiceNow. In my case, my private instance is dev 81676. Okay, and I've put shortcuts for all incidents and another shortcut with fixed scripts. My profile on self-service, my profile at change password, you can change the default password. And incidents all, these are all incidents I have in my developer instance. In my script, I'm using the software category. So if we go to fix scripts, I have a fixed description script. Let me. So this is the script, and these are all the incidents. And in my script, I'm checking the software category, and this incident 019 in the end from software. 019 from software. This one is it. And this is my script. As you can see in this script, there are @signs, email symbol, @. I have in my text file, I put from my text file on ServiceNow in the description the incident, and in the script it's taking this description of the incident, and it's replacing email signs with @signs with an enter. How is done this? Basically, Facebook has a GlideRecord. It's a glide object, and in this glide object, you put the table you want. In ServiceNow, there are a lot of tables, but for this example, I'm using the incident table. So I get an record set with data from incident table, and by executing the query, I'm filtering the active incidents, and by executing the query, I'm getting a record set, and while there is data in there, are records in this record set, I'm moving to the next record. But for each record, I'm checking if the record is in the software category, and if it's in software category, if it has this particular number, then uh, I'm replacing with this command. I'm replacing the sign email symbols with an enter. Enter ServiceNow, it's a Java application. It's written in Java. And for Java, this is the enter character to replace in a text, and R characters. And let me run this fix script. ServiceNow has an option to create fix scripts, then are modifying data. As you can see, we check again. So email symbol signs are there. I'm running the script. Proceed. Not in background. I want to have a feedback, visual feedback. And as we can see, there is no error because there are all the records presented. And in the first part, the description, the initial description with email symbols, and afterwards the new description. In the new description, we can see that there are no email symbols, and we can check this also here. So this was the initial text with email symbol sign at, and this sign disappeared and was replaced by enter. So this is what I wanted to present for today. Thank you very much.